Hello friends, welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. Remember to press the like button so more people can see these videos, and thank you for all your likes and your subscribes and all your share. Today we are talking about preserving things from the garden, preserving things that you forage on your property or in your small garden. Let me show you what I got going on my counter. I have lots of things here on my counter that I need to put to dry, but I needed another drying rack because I have another one. This is gonna be my fourth one, and I have one coming in the mail. I have one hanging right here. I have one right here with lots of herbs drying in there. So I don't have any more space in there. And so I need another one. So let me show you what I have going here. I have them on my towels on my island, and I'm waiting for them to wilt a bit. They've been there for a couple days, and now they're all wilted, and I'm gonna put them inside my drying rack because I got it. It was delivered. Yoo-hoo-hoo. So let's see what it looks like. We're gonna open it together, but let me show you what I have going on the counter. So right here I've got some chives, and they're nice and dry because I washed them. Then I got some of this beautiful purple clover. They're so lovely. Good for, this is a woman's herb, and it's good for PMS. It's good for lots of different things. Right, I just have a few leaves of mullein. I have some already dried, but these ones are not completely dried. I had quite a lot, but I used them for something else, and I saved this a little bit. And I have a whole bunch of mint here, which I washed, and they're ready to be put in the drying rack. Right here I have some nettle. Nettle is my favorite, one of my favorite, and so I just keep, every time I go to the farmhouse I just pick some. Right there I have some catmint. I like to pick them when they're starting to flower because they tend to be very, very strong and very flavorful. Right here I have some cedar branches, just a little bit. I want to make something special with this. I'm going to show you guys when I make that. And then right here I have some mugwort. And this I want to make a face scrub once it's dried. So I want it to dry nice and crispy. So this is all I have here. Let me just do a little go over for you guys. So this is what's going on. So let's open this thing together. There's a sign on it says step away when you open because it flicks out. So this one comes with a little shears. Let's step away a bit. Then it has two holding little things. Ah! Oh my goodness. And it's this. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. 6 thingy again. And yeah. But something I want to tell you guys, I didn't order this. Honestly, I didn't order this color. I ordered a white and they sent me a black. So I don't know what's going ahead. This is just like the third time I ordered things from Amazon and they sent me the wrong thing. Because this is definitely not what I ordered. I ordered a white one. So anyways, we're going to hang it here. And I am going to open it up. And I'm going to put my herbs inside of it. So I'm just opening up the bag. I'm hanging it on my cupboard because I don't have a little space right here. It's supposed to have a hook inside of it, but I don't see any hook. So you know me, I'm gonna go back and write to the seller and let them know what's going ahead, you know, because they sent me the wrong one. But it's okay, I'll keep it. But I didn't get any hook in it. So we're gonna put our herbs inside to dry. Don't mind, it's upside down, it's okay. Once you put it standing up, it's gonna fix itself. So let's do that. I'm gonna take my herbs and we're just gonna put it inside here to dry. The good thing about this is it is very large and it holds a lot, so that's why I like it. Even if they didn't send me the correct one, the correct color, because I ordered a white, I like this one because it's so large. So I'm gonna put this to dry with that and this to dry with that because a little bit. And when I finish put everything inside, I'll show you guys what I made with this. And the last thing is the mint. And the good thing about this is that it closes. So if you live in an area where there's flies or anything like this, you don't have to worry about it because your stuff is enclosed in there and flies are not going to rest on it. And that's why I like those things, because it just protects from flies and insects or any bugs or anything like that. So everything is in here. It's all closed up, and I still have 2 in the bottom, so any other herb that I have, I'll put them in the bottom. And once you stand it up, it looks like this, and all the herbs are all in there, and they dry really quickly. I'm just gonna open them a little bit more. They dry really quickly because, as you can see, the airflow is really good around, and you can even put something like right at the top here to dry. So this is really good. So I'm gonna hang this. I'm gonna find a spot to hang that up downstairs in my basement, and then I'll be back. So I hanged my thingy here right next to the boiler, and it looks nice and lovely hanging there, and all my herbs are going to be nice and dry in no time and away from the sunlight.